Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to the session. It's me, Alekia. Today, we are going to discuss about the superlatives. Superlatives means the highest, largest, biggest, and longest in India. And mostly, aspirants should have basic knowledge about India, and this will also be helpful for SSC, NTPC, and civils groups. In simple, we can say it is useful for all competitive exams. Let's discuss the topic in detail. Our first question is largest desert in India. The answer for this question is Thar Desert. It is in Rajasthan. It is also known as Great Indian Desert. In area wise, it is 2 lakh square kilometers. It also forms natural boundary between India and Pakistan. We can also say it is the 17th largest desert in world and 9th largest subtropical desert in world. Our next question is largest mosque in India. The answer for this question is Jama Masjid. It is in Delhi. It is built by Shah Jahan in 1956. Coming to the capacity. So capacity wise it can accommodate up to 25,000 persons and totally 85,000 people can be in this premises. Our next question is largest delta in India. Here they are asking in India which is the largest delta. The answer for this question is Sundarban Delta. It is in West Bengal. The delta is also named as Ganges Delta, Sundarban Delta, Bengal Delta or Ganges Brahmaputra Delta. So these are all the names of Sundarban Delta. And coming to the surface area, it is of 1 lakh square kilometers and also 2 by 3rd place is in Bangladesh and the rest of area is in India. Sundarban Delta is also the world's largest delta. Our next question is largest auditorium in India. Coming to the answer, in India the largest auditorium is Sri Shanmukhananda Hall. It is in Mumbai. Coming to the capacity, this hall is having 2763 seats and also there is a ground floor, first balcony and also second floor balcony. In the ground floor we are having 1462 seats and first floor balcony it is of 791 seats. Coming to the second floor balcony it is having 510 seats. So this is the capacity of this Sri Shanmukhananda Hall that is in Mumbai. Our next question is the largest zoo in India. The answer for this is Sri Venkateshwara Zoological Park and it is at Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. It is established in 1987 September 29. Coming to the area, it is of 5,532 acres. We can also say it is also the largest zoo park in Asia. Next question is which is the largest cave temple in India? The answer is Kailasa Temple. We can say Kailasa Temple is the largest cave temple in India and it is at Ellora in Maharashtra. We usually call it as Ellora Caves and it is the largest of 34 Buddhist, Jain and Hindu cave temples. Our next question is which is the longest tunnel in India? The answer for this question is Jawahar Tunnel. It is also called as Pir Panjal Tunnel or Banihal Railway Tunnel or Banihal Pass. It is at Jammu Kashmir. The tunnel is named as Jawahar Tunnel after the first PM of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. So from that onwards, this tunnel is named as Jawahar Tunnel. We can also say it is one of the longest tunnel in Asia. That means it is in clear we can say it is the second longest tunnel in Asia. Our next question is which is the largest museum in India? answer for this question is Indian Museum. It is at Kolkata. We can also say that it is the ninth oldest museum of world, and Indian Museum is also called as Imperial Museum. It is founded in 1814. The present director of Indian Museum is Sri Arjit Datta Chowdhury. Our next question is, which is the largest freshwater lake in India? The answer for this question is Ular Lake. We can say Ular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India, and it lies in the Kashmir Valley. It is at an altitude of 1580 meters, and the maximum depth is 14 meters, and it has a length of 16 kilometers and a breadth of 10 kilometers. Seasonally, it would be varying. Ular Lake is one of the largest freshwater lake in Asia. Our next question is, which is the largest animal fair in India? The answer for this question is Sonpur Cattle Fair. It is in Bihar. It is famously known as Harihara Kshetra Mela. We can also say this is the largest cattle fair in Asia. The cattle fair is held annually on Kartika Purnima in the month of November. Usually, it begins in the month of November and ends in the month of December. In today's session, we learnt some of the superlatives which are largest in India. In the next video sessions, we will learn more superlatives including highest, tallest, smallest in India. Thank you all for supporting me. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ ఇన్ ద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ బాక్స్.